In this video, we're going to be talking about how to use the Newegg Build Your PC tool. So let's just get straight into the video. First things first, simply go ahead and open your application and simply go ahead into the Build Your PC or Newegg Custom PC Builder page in the application. Once you've done that, all you need to do is simply go ahead and select your processor first, as this dictates the motherboard, RAM, and often the graphics card, ensuring compatibility. Follow the tool's guided step to select the motherboard, RAM, GPU, storage, and power supply. The tool will automatically filter for compatibility. Pick a case that supports the size, form factor of your motherboard, ATX, micro ATX, and so on, and then check the final list, ensure all the components are in stock, and add the entire bundle to your cart. It is as simple as that. You can also use this AI on the bottom right in order to go ahead and filter anything. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.